guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, you're welcome to the family, and for my OG, thank you guys for coming back. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing gender review. I'm gonna be using the old white tail tradition. I don't know if it's a myth or if it's real, but we're just going to see how it comes out. I feel like this is gonna be fun, and I just want to take you guys along. Like, sorry that I'm talking so fast. I did shoot a video earlier. When I have a little strength, I just want to try to film a video. Little bit exhausted, but I know this review is gonna be fun. I saw this on TikTok and I was like, this is gonna be fun to do here, so that's why I brought it here. If it's real, but let's see how it goes. I already know the gender, I already know what I'm having, but let's see if this is correct. So guys, let's get down to the video.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't.
So I'm just going to use this old wife tale to predict the baby, the gender that I'm going to be having. So let's see if it's going to work. So boy is going to be here and girl is going to be here. So guys, let's start. I have the question here, and here I have my note here. I'm just going to write it, like separate it and see. Here, boy, and here he's going to be girl. Just tick it so I'll know what I'm getting. First one is craving. If I was craving salt or sweet. Salty is for the boy and sweet is for the girl. I think I was craving sweet. I was taking a lot of chocolate. I was taking a lot of sweet, and I didn't care if my baby was going to be too big. I was just taking a lot of sweet and all that. So yeah, I think for this first one, this one is going for the girl. Okay, so the second one is morning sickness. Yeah, my first trimester, I think I have a little bit of morning sickness. I think just for the first 2 months or so, I was throwing up, I was spitting. If yes, girl. If no, boy. So yeah, yes is girl. So another one for the girl. Sleeping on left side or right, left side for the boy or right side for the girl. For this, I would say I don't know, because I just sleep anywhere that is just comfortable, anywhere that I feel that is comfortable for me. That is where I sleep on. I don't really know if it's right or left. There's a side I'm going to sleep on that when I'm on that side, I'll feel the baby kicking, so I'll just turn to the other side. Well, I'm not sure, so we are just going to leave that because I'm not sure of the side, if it's left or right side I'm sleeping on. So yeah. So the next one is mom complexion, clear or breakout. I think my face is clear. I don't have any spot on this. Like my first, I was having a little bit of pimples here. My face is clear. If your face is clear, you're going to be having a boy. If you have breakout, you're going to be having a girl. My face was, so I'm going to click boy. So another one for the boy. Then the other one is foot size, increase or the same. Increase. I didn't get any new shoe this period, so I don't know if it's going to increase. I was still using my old shoe. So if your shoe size increase, you're going to have a boy. If it decrease, if it's same, you're having a girl. So another one for the girl. Okay. Heartbeat. If you're having increase of 140 or decrease, if it's decrease of 140, well, I'm not sure. Believe me, this one I'm not sure, so I don't know. We are just going to leave that part. This one is headaches. Yeah, yes, I was having a lot of headache all through this pregnancy, so I was taking a lot of pain relief. So I would say yes, and yes is for the boy. Yes is for the boy. So okay, the girl now have 3, the boy have 2. Okay, let's keep going. Then for emotion, was it chill or moody? I think I was just there. I think chill. I wasn't really moody. I was just there, chill. I think I'll go for chill. Chill is for the boy. So yes, chill. Then the next one, carrying baby. low or high. I don't know because I already have a baby. My son is like 16 months or so, so I don't know. I really don't know. I don't think we are going to answer this if it's low or high. So we'll go for low. Then daddy's weight, same or increase? Same. Same. So that's for the boy. Same. Boy, same. Yeah. The next one is temperature. If I was cold or hot, I think I was always cold. Like, yeah, I was always cold. Any UK weather, it can be cold, sometimes it can be hot, but I was always cold. I was always wearing a robe, so I feel I will go for cold. Okay, cold is for the boy. Another one for the boy. Okay, then skin texture, was it dry or soft? My skin is so dry. Even for my first, my skin was dry. Now it's still dry. So we are going to go for dry. And dry is for the boy. Then soft is for the girl. We are going to go for dry. Then cold feet. Yes or no? Yeah, my feet. Yes. Well, my feet is always cold, so I really don't know. Even before I was pregnant, I always have cold feet anyway. So I will go for yes for the boy, then no for the girl. So I'll go for yes for the boy. So the next one is daddy intuition. Well, my husband feel that I'm having a girl, and so we'll put girl here. Well, for me, and the next one, mom's intuition. Well, I did not choose. I just feel anyone that God give me, I'm gonna accept. So I think I'll go for, or should we leave that one? Because I didn't choose. I just like anyone. When I was pregnant with my first, I was like, I want a girl, I want a girl, I want a girl. Then I end up getting a boy. So this one, I'm not saying anything. Is it God's hands? God should just give me what He wants me to get. So that's it. I love them both ways. I'm gonna love them. They are my babies anyway, so I'm going to love them both ways. So if it's a girl, if it's a boy, so yeah. So you're just going to leave that one for me. So let's calculate. Let's see if this old wife prediction is accurate. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. So for the boy, let's just everything first is the total of all the question is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14 questions. And for the boy got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 points for the boy. And for the girl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points for the girl. Okay, guys. Let's see if this prediction is correct. The boy got 8 and the girl got 6. So for me to tell you what I'm gonna be having, let me know in the comment section, guys. What do you guys think I'm gonna be having with this prediction? The boy is 8 points and the girl is 6 points. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think I'm gonna be having before I tell you guys what I'm having. Let me know. Drop it down in the comment section. Anyway, guys, drum roll. I'm having a girl. I'm having a girl. If you got it right, good. If not, it's okay. But I'm having a girl. I'm currently in my 36 and 3 days, going to 37. Yeah. So I'm having a girl. I'm really excited. I already have a prince, and now my princess is on her way. So I'm really excited about it. So yes, guys, I'm happy. So yeah, if you watched this video up to now and you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. Please make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share if you want to. And for my OG, I will always appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. Share you see the sun is just going up and down, spoiling my video. Oh God. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.